If you're taking statins but your blood pressure isn't where you want it to be, what I'm about to tell you is going to change everything. I've seen this help hundreds of men without adding a new prescription or doing some miserable low-salt diet. Just 2 months ago, I worked with a 37-year-old father of two who suffered from a stroke at his home even while being on statins. Thank God he recovered, but his doctors never revealed the one mineral that he was deficient in that could have contributed to his stroke. It's a specific mineral that 97% of men on statins are deficient in, and your doctors probably never mentioned it. In just one meta-analysis where they studied 32 men, they found that blood pressure dropped by an average of 7 points, and the risk of stroke dropped by up to 40%. And this is why I start every single morning with a sugar-free powder of this mineral, and it's transformed my numbers. So in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step morning protocol that you can add to get off medication and stabilize your blood pressure. And what I love about this is that it isn't just theory. These are the exact systems, supplements, and foods that have not only helped my numbers, but also all of my clients. And if you want more than just a free YouTube video, I've also got free biblical health guides that beat Big Pharma, where you can learn about supplements, hormones, foods, fasting, and training in the description of this video. It's called the Holy Health Newsletter. So it's free to join in the description of this video. But let's get into the topic that you came for, and let's get into the lab. Fantastic. We are going to be talking about potassium and its impact on your blood pressure, your heart health, your muscle, cramps, fatigue, energy levels, and your sleep. So it's easily one of the most neglected minerals. Even though your body is so demanding of it, we know that the human body needs about 3,000 to 5,000 milligrams per day, and most people are only getting about half of that. So these are the functions of potassium. So we know that potassium is important for heart health, regulating your blood sugar, balancing sodium. It's important for muscle function, bone health, nerve function, and also digestion. And even before recording this video, I had some food, and my favorite source of potassium personally is spinach. So what I'll do is I'll cut up maybe about 5 ounces to 8 ounces of spinach, and I'll add it to some scrambled eggs to make a bit of like an omelette, and that I'll add to some grass-fed red meat or maybe some cheese or mushroom and make a bit of a omelette. Now, what else is high in potassium? So we already discussed spinach. But the thing is, if you have hypertension or if you have diabetes, I want you to avoid the very high carb foods. So we know that things like dates are high in potassium, but they're also very, very high in sugar. So I want you to avoid that. Instead, let's focus on things like spinach, which are very low in carb but high in potassium. Things like avo, which are very high in healthy fats, high in potassium but low in carb. And then also foods like white beans. They are high in carbs, but they're so high in fiber that it's not going to impact your blood sugar or your blood pressure that much. Some of my other favorites here are chia seeds or almonds. These are also very high in protein, fiber, and the healthy fats that you're looking for. So this is exactly what I would like you to take a look at, is just increasing your potassium. If you are struggling to think of meal ideas, once again, you can join the newsletter. I'll send you some recipes and I'll send you some meal ideas and whatnot. But other than that, one other thing you can try is a sugar-free electrolyte powder. So I myself, every single morning, I'll wake up before getting to work, and I'll have a scoop of a stevia or monk fruit sweetened electrolyte powder. They're very affordable. It probably costs about $50 a day, and you're going to get anywhere between 200 to 500 milligrams of potassium, which is already like 10% of your daily need. just like that in the morning. And what's great is that it's 0 calories. So you can also have it while fasted. If you are fasting to combat blood sugar or diabetes, that's another great strategy. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I wanted to keep it short. I wanted to keep it actionable. So yeah, you go and implement, take action, eat more potassium, and drink more sugar-free potassium drinks. And you're going to see incredible results within 30 days when it comes to your blood pressure and your blood sugar. So bye for now, and stay blessed by the best. We'll talk soon.